a clean and modern look. The packaging features soft pink hues and a lean, sans serif font that creates a friendly and approachable brand image. Glossier's packaging design is also functional and practical. The product is packaged in small, lightweight containers that are easy to use and carry. The containers are made of recyclable materials and are designed to be easily emptied, which reduces waste and improves sustainability. The combination of the company's branding and packaging design has been a key factor in its success. Glossier has been able to create a strong brand identity that resonates with its target audience. The packaging design has helped to differentiate the company from its competitors, and the functional and practical design has created a positive customer experience. Furthermore, it is important to note that packaging design and branding are not static concepts. As consumer behavior and preferences change over time, so do the trends and best practices in packaging. Design and branding. Brands must be willing to adapt and evolve their packaging design and branding strategies to stay relevant and competitive in the market. Another important aspect to consider in packaging design and branding is consistency. A consistent brand identity across all touchpoints, including packaging design, creates a strong and uniform brand. Image that is easily recognizable to consumers. Inconsistencies in branding, such as using different colors or fonts on packaging design, can create confusion and weaken the brand identity. Lastly, it is important to engage with designers who are experienced and knowledgeable in packaging design and branding. In addition to the importance of packaging design and branding in building a strong brand identity, there are other factors that businesses must consider. One important factor is the quality of the product itself. No matter how well designed the packaging is, if the product does not meet the expectations of the consumer, the brand identity will suffer. Product quality is essential in building trust and credibility with the consumer. Another factor to consider is the pricing strategy. A well-designed package and a strong brand identity can help to justify a premium price point, but it is important that the pricing is still competitive within the market. If the product is priced too high, it can turn off potential customers who may perceive the product as overpriced. Finally, businesses must also consider their distribution strategy. The package design and branding must be consistent across all distribution channels, whether it is sold in brick-and-mortar stores or online. Additionally, the packaging design must be practical for the distribution channels. For example, a product sold in online stores may require additional protective packaging to ensure that it is not damaged during shipping. In summary, developing a strong brand identity requires businesses to consider many factors, including packaging design and branding, product quality, pricing strategy, and distribution strategy. As businesses compete in a global market, having a strong brand identity is becoming increasingly important. Consumers have more choices than ever, and businesses must find ways to stand out and differentiate themselves. Packaging design and branding are crucial components of building a strong brand identity that resonates with customers. When developing a brand identity, it is important to consider the target audience. For example, a luxury brand may focus on using high-quality materials and bold, elegant designs to create a premium image. On the other hand, a budget-friendly brand may focus on minimalist designs and simple packaging to convey affordability and accessibility. Another important aspect of packaging design is the use of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool that brands can use to create an emotional connection with their customers. By sharing the Right behind the product or using storytelling elements in packaging design, brands can create a sense of authenticity and build trust with consumers. One example of a company that effectively uses storytelling in packaging design is Patagonia. Patagonia is an outdoor clothing company that focuses on sustainability and environmentally friendly practices. The company's packaging design features graphics and copy that highlight the company's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. By using storytelling in packaging design,